Are you tired of stressing over weeknight dinners? Well, today we got you covered with 3 easy and delicious freezer meal recipes that you can prepare in advance and enjoy at any time. From chicken enchiladas to turkey meatballs. These recipes are perfect for busy days and will make your life so much easier. So grab a seat and get ready to be inspired. The first recipe is chicken enchiladas, which you will need the following ingredients: 2 cups of cooked shredded chicken, 1 cup of diced onions, 1 diced red chili, 1 cup of diced bell pepper chopped, 250 grams of diced tomato, 2 cups of shredded cheese, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 3 deciliter of Greek yogurt, 8 corn tortillas, and salt and pepper to taste. Peel and finely chop the onion, cut half the chili into the rings, and then grate the cheese. After that, heat a tablespoon of olive oil in a pan and fry the onion, chili, pepper, and tomato. Cook the chicken fillets in a pot, so at first you put salt in the pot, and when it boils, add the chicken and cook it for 10 minutes. Then, put them on a plate to cool down and tear them into pieces. In a large bowl, mix the cooled chicken meat, roast vegetables, grated cheese, and yogurt, and then heat the tortillas in the pan for 5 seconds on each side to make them more flexible. After that, place the mass from the bowl on each tortilla and wrap it lightly. Then, put baking paper on the baking sheet and place the rolled rolls in it. Cover them with the remaining fried onion, pepper, chili, and cheese. Cover the baking tray with aluminum foil and bake for 20 minutes. When it's baked, let it cool down and put the covered pan in the freezer. Next up is beef with mushrooms. To make this dish, you will need 500 grams of beef stew meat, 1 diced onion, 1 cup of sliced fresh mushrooms, half liter cup beef broth or 1 beef cube plus water, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of red paprika powder, salt and pepper, 4 tablespoons of olive oil, and 1 cup of sour cream. To start, put olive oil in a large pot, heat it to a higher temperature, and when it heats up, add the meat. Fry it for about 3 minutes until it is cooked on all sides. Then, add onions, mushrooms, garlic, thyme, salt, and red pepper. Fry for 2 minutes, reduce the temperature, and add the soup base and cook in a covered pot for about 20 minutes. Stir occasionally and add water if it evaporates. When the meat is tender, add sour cream and, if desired, chopped parsley and pepper. When the dish has cooled down, transfer it to containers suitable for freezing and place it in a freezer. Lastly, we have turkey meatballs. For this dish, you will need 1 kg of beef chuck roast cut into cubes, 4 big onions chopped, 3 garlic cloves minced, 3 celery stalks sliced, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 liter of beef broth, 1 can of diced tomatoes, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, 1 teaspoon of dried rosemary, 2 bay leaves, salt and pepper to taste, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of cold water, 1 tablespoon of ground red pepper, and half teaspoon of sugar. To start, heat 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a large pan over medium heat. Add the beef cubes and fry them for about 3 to 5 minutes and stir constantly. Add the chopped onion, fry for another 3 minutes, and then add the garlic and celery. And pour it with the beef broth and cook at a mild temperature for 10 minutes, stirring occasionally when needed. Now add the chopped tomatoes, tomato pulp, thyme, bay leaves, rosemary, ground red pepper, salt, pepper, and sugar, and mix well. Cover the pot with a lid and cook on a very low heat for 1 to 2 hours until the meat is soft. Stir several times, and if necessary, add water and add salt, pepper, and chili to taste. Mix 2 tablespoons of cornstarch or smooth flour and 1 deciliter of cold water in a glass. Mix well and add to the pot and mix well. If it's too thick, add a little water and then cook for another 3 minutes on a low temperature, stirring all the time to thicken. When the goulash is ready, remove the bay leaves, cool it down, and place it in a freezer container. And there you have it, a collection of easy and convenient freezer meal recipes that will make your busy weeknights a breeze. These recipes save you time and fill your table with deliciousness. We hope you enjoyed this video and found inspiration for your next meal prep session. We hope you enjoyed this video and found inspiration for your next meal prep session. If you want to stay updated with more fantastic recipes like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video. If you tried any of these freezer meals, we'd love to hear about your experience in the comment section down below. And remember to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful and share it with your friends and family. Take care and see you in the next video.